What is good, YouTube? It is your boy Q Souls, and I'm back with another video for you guys. And Happy New Year to everyone. Again, I just want to thank all my fans, all my supporters for helping me surpass 300 subscribers before 2020 ended. And I do feel like that's just going to be an indication of where this channel goes in the year 2021. For me personally, I would like to surpass 1K subscribers before this year ends. I mean, I'm hoping for the best. I'm gonna grind for it. I'm definitely gonna pray for it. Definitely gonna put in the work. But 100 1K subscribers is the goal for 2021. So I hope you guys help me get there. Make sure you hit that subscribe button if you are new to this channel, and also drop a like early on this video. Secondly, as you can see, I am not at home, no longer in Florida. I'm actually back at school. Athletes came back early, but we couldn't be on campus for some reason, so I'm staying at it. Regardless, one thing is for certain, no matter where I'm recording at, the big TV, I'm gonna have some type of big TV in the background playing some type of video, so you can always count on that. But anyway, the show goes on, the videos must go on, so that's why I'm here. That's what, you know, I gotta do what I gotta do. But anyway, unboxing a new sneaker that my girl got for me. Shout out to you. You know who you are. Really appreciate it. This is actually the first sneaker that I got of 2021 technically, and it's coming from her, so that definitely means a lot. And it's also my first New Balance sneaker in a personal collection. So hey, some big stuff going on already in 2021. But forget all that talking. Let's get right into the sneaker. And before I get into the shoe real quick, I do want to let you guys know about my new business that I just started January 1st called Closet 5 Industries. It is a resale business where I'll be selling vintage clothing as well as reselling sneakers, all below market value. But some things that you can expect, we got the college vintage stuff, Michigan tee, MLB vintage jerseys, as well as the most popular stuff, that original Disney vintage clothing, as well as some sneakers. So head over to Instagram at Closet 5 Industries and drop a like on there, follow, all that good stuff if you're interested. Every customer will receive one of these business cards with the 5. Of course, my motto below, aim high, spread love. On the back, you got Closet 5 Vintage Clothing Sneakers, as well as my YouTube and Instagram handle. Something that I've always been wanting to start in 2021 is just a year of opportunities, I believe. So I went ahead and started it. So head over there. Link will be in the description as well as on the screen right now. So if you're interested, go over there, drop a follow, drop a like, all that good stuff. But now let's head into this shoe. Boom. And as you can see, I already unboxed the shoe. I did not look at it yet, but I did take it out of the box because I'd be so eager to just look at it. I gotta see what it is. I gotta make sure that everything is cool. But I also forgot that I'm doing an unboxing video for this. So I had to pause what I was doing, turn on the camera, get the ring light, and show these to y'all. But anyway, let's open these bad boys up. And the New Balance sneaker that I got is the 99 V5 in the Nimbus Cloud colorway. Now this particular silhouette is very popular in the sneaker community. I think a lot of people like the 995 because of how comfy it is and how stylish it is. I haven't put these on my feet yet, nor have I put it with the fit, so I can't confirm any of those allegations. But from multiple videos and what I hear, hey, I'm just gonna trust them. So I had to cop me a pair of 995s. A lot of people have that darkish gray one. I want to say it's a neutral gray colorway. I'm not too sure on what the actual name of them are, but a lot of people have those. So what I did is went on Go app and tried to find a different colorway. I haven't seen anybody on YouTube with the Nimbus Cloud colorway at all. Obviously there are YouTube videos, but like popular YouTubers, I guess you can say. I haven't seen them with this. I only seen them with that dark gray pair. So I went different, told my girl, these are it. These are the ones that I want. She came through. Do really appreciate it. So thank you to you. Thank you so much. But yeah, I will have the full review on this shoe right after this video drops. Probably like 1, 2. Y'all know what y'all know. I'll drop it like 2-3 days afterwards. But yeah, this is a very, very, very fire shoe. I absolutely love it so far. Can't wait to put it on my feet because I heard they are super comfy. And hey, if I can be stylish and comfy at the same time, these probably gonna be the shoes I rock all 2021 if I'm being 100% honest. The something I do want to add to that is I believe in the sneaker community, New Balance is now gonna take everything by storm, to be honest. New Balance was already a very dope brand and I liked most of their shoes, but like I just feel like the direction that stuff is going to, that vintage, aged, and old, like that style that the sneaker community is going toward falls right into New Balance's hands. And to me, I think New Balance will be the sneaker of the year, sneaker company of the year in 2021. Either New Balance or Adidas, one of those two. Y'all know Jordan Brand gonna be dropping shoe after, you know, it's getting really old. But these, New Balance and Adidas, watch out, I'm telling you. Both of those are gonna be the sneaker companies of the year. I can promise you that. And this is just a fire shoe. I cannot wait. And I can just see right now all the little subtle details. I gotta do a little bit of research on the shoe. I ain't even gonna lie, because I don't know much about like the emblems and symbols of the 995 shoe. But that full review is gonna come. Once I figure all this stuff out, that information will be relayed to you, because it's not really about how good a shoe looks to me. As you know from this channel, I love to go in depth about a shoe, give you guys the history, give you guys the reason behind why I bought the shoe and why this shoe is now standing on its own, you know. But it is a beautiful shoe. The 990 V5 Nimbus Cloud colorway review coming soon. And before I let you go, one thing again, Closet 5 Industries on Instagram, my new resale business for vintage clothing as well as sneakers, is now up and live. So go follow them. Link will be down in the description. And before I let you guys go, you know, I gotta end off with a quote. And today's quote is, "New year, new me." And I know that sounds cliche and corny and a lot of people say it, but I really do think the message behind it is very important. And what it means is 2021 now gives you a chance to refresh yourself and restart every situation that you are going through or you have been in. And for me, I don't think it literally means change the person you are, but I think it means putting more effort into the things that make you happy and the things that you want to succeed in for 2021. For example, like me, I'm not going to change at all, but my work habit is definitely going to get 10 times better. My dedication to this YouTube as well as my business is going to get 10 times better. So that is going to be new in me, but the person that I am, of course, is not going to change. And I wish that for all of you watching this video. And with that being said, you know the quote, you know the motto, aim high, spread love. I'm out.